Let's see another problem from LeetCode. It's a first missing positive. Before understanding, let's see the companies that they ask this question. You can see the list. This question has been asked from many companies: Amazon, Google, Tesla, Meta. Yeah, let's understand the problem now. So first missing positive. So here in this example, if you see 1 to 0, we need to find out, positive. So we do not care any negative or zero number. And we'll see what is the length of this. Is a 3, length 3 of this list, and we have the 1, 2, and the missing is 3. So we need to find out that 3. So there can be many ways we can solve this thing using the space. If you want to use the space, you can uh, use the map, and using that strategy we can solve this problem also. So in a map we can store and we can just check that what's the missing. Another way, this very simple way I'm going to show is we just will iterate through this. Before this we'll sort that, and we'll iterate each number, and if you see any number is 0 or less than 0, we just ignore that. Then in this case, if you take example, if we have the 0, we ignore, so left is 1 and 2, and it is in ascending order. So now we'll fix that. We'll say that okay, 1 is, or just we assume that 1 is our that missing number. So we'll put that 1, and then we'll come here, we'll check with this one to our missing number. If it's the same, that means our assumption is wrong. And then in case we just increment that value to 2. Again, we'll come to this iteration 2 and check with that 2, and if it's already there, again our assumption is wrong. We'll increment that to 3, and now new value is the 3, and then we'll compare with, there is no other item left, and then in that case 3 is our missing number. So that's the small logic just we'll put here. Let's see that. I'll say that okay, missing number is nums 0. First number I'll just take, oh, not the first number, I'll just say that 1, because anyway it will start from the 1. So, and before that I'll just sort this number, sort ins nums, and now we'll have iteration for y0 less than in less than nums I plus plus, and I'll check that if the nums I less than equal to 0, then just continue. Just I want to ignore any value less than 0. And if it is not the case, then I'll check if this nums I equal to missing number, and whatever my assumption, and if my assumption is wrong, then I will increment my assumption value. So it's a plus plus. So that's all, and at the end I'll just return missing number. Let's run it. Accepted, submit. So that's all. Let's see the Java solutions also. The same logic here. My assumption is here. So before that it's sorted, and there's iteration. If less than 0, ignore that, and if my assumption is wrong, increment my assumption, and that's the missing number. So that's all for now. Thank you.